Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can upload tables and spreadsheets, for example in CSV file format like Excel documents and tables on DeepSeek AI to let the artificial intelligence describe what it sees in your table or spreadsheet or analyze it, and so on and so forth. So let us guide you through this. In the first step, head over to DeepSeek, log into your account and start a new chat here in the top left. Let me go with that past conversation and continue it here. By clicking into the text field, enter your prompts. For example, ask the artificial intelligence, for example, to, let me just remove that part, for example, analyze what it sees in the attached Excel document or spreadsheet. So what you want to do is click into this paperclip icon here. As you can see, it can read docs or documents. Just navigate to the given file, upload it from your device. So let me go to that Excel document here, spreadsheet, untitled spreadsheet, wait for the upload process to be finished. And after that, simply, it is in XLSX, not CSV. Let me change the file format. And that's basically it. Press enter or click into this button and let the artificial intelligence provide you with a analysis and description of the content of the given document. Now, you may use the DeepThink feature for that as well to get even more accurate analysis and results and replies, but it's totally up to you guys. As you can see, the DeepThink process has been concluded. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.